In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. This is an important task because it keeps your books accurate and makes sure your credit card balances and bank balances match what actually happened in real life. When you record a credit card payment correctly, you're simply moving money from one account to another, not creating new income or expenses, and that's exactly what we're going to walk through together. First, head over to your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look to the top right corner of the screen. You're going to click the plus new button. This is where you create most types of transactions in QuickBooks, and it's the starting point for recording your credit card payment. When the menu opens, look for the section labeled either Other or Money Out, depending on your QuickBooks layout. In that section, choose the option that says Pay Down Credit Card. This form is designed specifically for recording payments you make toward a credit card balance, so using it helps QuickBooks treat the transaction correctly. Next, you'll choose which credit card account you're paying. Use the drop-down menu at the top of the form and select the credit card you actually paid in real life. Make sure you pick the correct one, especially if you have multiple business credit cards, because this is what tells QuickBooks which balance to reduce. Now enter the payment amount and the date. Type the exact amount that cleared your bank and set the date to match the date of the payment on your bank or credit card statement. Matching these details to your statements will make bank reconciliation much smoother later on. Below that, select the bank account you used for the payment. This is the account where the money came from, such as your main business checking account. Choosing the right bank account ensures that QuickBooks reduces the correct cash balance. If you paid by check, enter the check number in the appropriate field so you can easily match this later when you reconcile. If you paid electronically, enter the EFT or confirmation number instead. Adding this detail is optional but very helpful for tracking and troubleshooting. You'll also see a memo field. Use this area to add any notes that might help you or your accountant later, such as which statement cycle this payment covers. You can attach supporting documents as well, like a copy of the bank confirmation or the credit card statement. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your credit card payment is now properly categorized in QuickBooks Online, and both your bank account and credit card account will reflect this transaction accurately.